Welcome to how to uninstall tutorial. In this video, we're going to show you how to uninstall Copilot in your PC. So if you found this video useful, please consider subscribing and hit the like button and leave a comment down below. So first you need to go to your settings. Then from here you need to go to search and then right up and click on add or remove programs. Then you will see all the programs that you have installed. And then from here you can search for Copilot if you already installed it, and then you can click on the three dots and then click on install. So that's if you already installed it as an app. But if it's not installed as an app and it's showed like this, as you see here, you need to go to personalization and then go to taskbar, and from here you will find the Copilot. As you see, it's preview. You can turn it off and then you won't see it again. So that's how you uninstall Copilot in your Windows PC. So if you found this video useful, please consider subscribing and hit the like button and leave a comment down below. Thank you for watching and see you in the next videos.